Did you know that orange juice is the most popular fruit juice worldwide? It's enjoyed by people of all ages and cultures, making it a truly global phenomenon. Every morning, millions of people start their day with this vitamin-packed drink. It's a staple on breakfast tables, providing a refreshing and nutritious start to the day. But have you ever stopped to think about the journey it takes to get from the orange grove to your glass? It's a story of dedication and hard work. It's a fascinating process involving technology, ingenuity, and a whole lot of oranges. From the fields to the factories, every step is crucial. Join me as we explore this journey, delving into the intricate world of orange juice production. We'll meet the people and see the machines that make it all possible. From the moment the oranges are plucked from the trees to the final product neatly packaged on supermarket shelves, each phase is a marvel of modern agriculture and industry. We'll uncover the secrets behind this beloved beverage, understanding what makes it so special and widely cherished. Get ready to discover a world of citrusy aromas, innovative machinery, and the science behind delivering a fresh and flavorful glass of orange juice to your breakfast table. It's a journey worth taking. Our journey begins in the sun-drenched orange groves, where rows upon rows of trees bear the weight of their juicy treasures. The air is filled with the scent of fresh citrus, a promise of the delicious journey ahead. Harvesting is a carefully orchestrated process. Workers, often aided by machinery, delicately pluck the ripe oranges from the branches. Each orange is handled with care to ensure it remains unblemished. Timing is crucial. Pick too early, and the oranges lack sweetness. Pick too late, and they become too soft for juicing. Workers meticulously inspect each fruit to ensure it is picked at the perfect moment. Once harvested, the oranges begin their journey to the processing plant. They are carefully placed in baskets and crates, ready for transport. Large trucks, specifically designed for transporting delicate fruit, are loaded with care. Each orange is placed to avoid bruising during the journey. These trucks are equipped with features to protect the oranges from bruising and temperature fluctuations, ensuring they arrive at the factory in prime condition. Temperature control is crucial to maintain the fruit's freshness. The air is thick with the sweet aroma of citrus as the trucks embark on their journey, carrying the promise of liquid sunshine. Each truck is a moving treasure trove of flavor, heading towards its next destination. Upon arrival at the factory, the air is alive with the invigorating scent of oranges, a fragrance that instantly awakens the senses and sets the stage for the journey ahead. The trucks, laden with their precious cargo, are carefully maneuvered into unloading bays, where each orange is handled with care to ensure its freshness. Here, automated conveyors whisk the oranges away on the next stage of their transformation, moving them swiftly and efficiently through the factory. The factory is a hive of activity, with machines humming and conveyor belts whirring, all working in perfect harmony to transform the oranges into the juice we know and love. It's a symphony of technology and nature. The scale of the operation is impressive, with mountains of oranges moving through the facility, each one destined to become a refreshing beverage. Each orange will go through a series of meticulous processes before it becomes the juice in your glass. From washing and sorting to extraction and pasteurization, every step is designed to preserve the natural goodness of the fruit. Every step is crucial in ensuring the final product's quality and safety. Rigorous quality control measures are in place to guarantee that only the best oranges make it through. Get ready to witness the magic of modern food production unfold before your eyes, where tradition meets innovation in the creation of your favorite orange juice. Before the juicing begins, the oranges undergo a thorough cleaning process. This crucial step removes dirt, leaves, and any other impurities that may have hitched a ride from the grove. Think of it as a spa treatment for the oranges. They are gently tumbled and scrubbed, ensuring every trace of dirt is washed away. Next comes the sorting process, where trained inspectors and sophisticated machines work in tandem. Only the finest oranges, free from blemishes and imperfections, make the cut for juicing. The rejects, they're not wasted. They might be used for essential oils, animal feed, or other citrus-based products. Nothing is wasted in the world of orange juice production. Section 5. Extracting the liquid gold juice in the making. Now, for the main event, juicing. The selected oranges are channeled into massive extractors, specifically designed to maximize juice yield. These machines are marvels of engineering, capable of processing tons of oranges every hour. Imagine the sight of hundreds of oranges being halved and squeezed simultaneously. The aroma in this part of the factory is intoxicating, a tangy wave of pure orange bliss. As the extractors work their magic, separating juice from pulp and peel, the air is thick with anticipation. The freshly squeezed juice, a vibrant and cloudy liquid, is then whisked away to the next stage of its transformation. Section 6. Pasteurization, a safety blanket for our drink. While the fresh squeezed juice is bursting with flavor, it needs one more crucial step before it's ready for our consumption: pasteurization. This process involves briefly heating the juice to a specific temperature to eliminate any harmful bacteria, ensuring its safety and extending its shelf life. Don't worry, this heating process is carefully controlled to preserve the juice's flavor and nutritional value. Think of pasteurization as a gentle heat hug that eliminates any unwanted gas in the juice, ensuring it stays fresh and delicious for longer. Once pasteurized, the juice is rapidly cooled and ready for its final journey to your glass. Section 7. From tanks to cartons. Packaging the sunshine. The pasteurized juice is pumped into enormous storage tanks, where it awaits its final destination, your breakfast table. These tanks, often holding thousands of gallons of juice, are carefully monitored for temperature and quality. From here, the juice is piped into packaging lines, where it's bottled, cartoned, or pouched at lightning speed. The packaging process is another marvel of modern technology. Automated machines sterilize the containers, fill them with the precise amount of juice, and seal them airtight to preserve freshness. Labels are applied, and the finished product is whisked away on conveyor belts, ready to be shipped to stores near and far. Section 8. Orange juice. Secrets: quality, nutrition, and innovation. Did you know that orange juice undergoes rigorous quality checks at every stage of production? From testing the sugar content to analyzing the vitamin levels, experts diligently monitor the juice to ensure it meets the highest standards. And speaking of nutrition, orange juice is a powerhouse of vitamin C, essential for a healthy immune system. It's also a good source of potassium and folate. The world of orange juice production is constantly evolving with ongoing research and innovation. Scientists are exploring new techniques to enhance flavor, extend shelf life, and even develop new varieties of oranges with higher juice content. The future of orange juice is bright, with exciting possibilities on the horizon. Section 9. Your morning glass of sunshine, a journey's end. So, the next time you reach for that refreshing glass of orange juice, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken. From the sun-drenched groves to the sophisticated factory floor and finally to your table, it's a testament to human ingenuity and our love for this golden nectar. With every sip, you're experiencing the culmination of nature's bounty, technological innovation, and the dedication of countless individuals. As you savor the sweet and tangy flavor, remember the journey of the orange, a journey that connects us all through the simple pleasure of a perfect glass of juice. Cheers to the orange, a fruit that truly brightens our world.